Hello guys, welcome to my today's lecture. Today we are seeing the next content of that chapter, that are threats to security. In this we see viruses, phase of virus, type of virus, dealing with viruses, worms, Trojan horse, intruders and insiders. So first is threats to security. A threat is a potential for violation of a security which exists when there is a action that might cause harm to security. Threats are divided into following categories: disclosure, deception, disruption and usurpation. First is a disclosure. Disclosure is a unauthorized access to information. Deception is a access of virus, wrong data. Disruption is a prevention of correct action. Usurpation is a unauthorized access to system or part of system. Next is a viruses. So virus is a code or program that attaches itself to another code or program which causes damage to the computer system or to the network. It is a piece of a code which is loaded onto the computer without individual's knowledge and runs against his or her wishes. It can replicate them. All computer viruses are man-made. Any simple virus can make a copy of itself over and over again. Any virus can be dangerous. It will quickly use all available memory space and bring the system to a halt, whereas dangerous viruses are capable of transmitting itself network and can be able to avoid security system. Next is a phase of virus. It is also called as life cycle of virus. During its lifetime, a typical virus goes through the following four phases. First is a dormant phase. The virus is idle and eventually activated by some event. Propagation phase. The virus places an identical copy of itself into other programs or into certain system areas on the disk. Triggering phase. Triggering phase is the virus is activated to perform the function for which it was intended. Execution phase. This is the last phase of virus and is the function is performed. So we see the phase of viruses: dormant, propagation, triggering and execution. So next is a type of virus. First is a parasitic virus, memory resident virus, non-resident virus, boot sector virus, stealth virus, overwriting virus, microvirus, polymorphic virus, companion virus, email virus, and last is metamorphic virus. Next is a how to dealing with viruses. Prevention from viruses is always a good option. There is no direct way to text or find the hidden code, but we attempt to detect, identify and remove viruses. So why? So first is a detection, identification and removal. First is a detection. Detection is find out the location of virus. Identification. Identification is identify the specified virus that has attacked. Removal. Removal is after identification. Identification. It will necessary to remove all traces of virus and restore the affected file to its original state with the help of antivirus. So next is a worm. A worm is a special type of virus that can replicate itself and use memory but cannot attach itself to other programs. Viruses and worm will be the most common problem that an organization faces. Worm does not infect other file, but it occupy memory space by replication. Worm does not modify the code. Next is a Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a hidden piece of code. It allows attacker to obtain confidential data. The main purpose of Trojan horse is to reveal confidential information to an attacker. For example, Trojan horse can hide in code for login screen. When the user enters the user ID and password, the Trojan horse capture these details and send this information to the attacker without knowledge of authorized user. The attacker can then use this information to gain access to the system. Next is intruders. Intruders are authorized and unauthorized users who are trying access the system or network. Intruders are hackers or cracker. Intruders are illegal user. Intruders are less dangerous than insider. Many security mechanisms are used to protect system from intruders. It have to study or gain knowledge about the security system. And last is insider. Insider are authorized user who are trying to access the system or network for which he is authorized or unauthorized. Insider are not hackers. Insider are legal user. It are more dangerous than insider. There is no such mechanism to protect system from insider. Insider have knowledge about the system security. Thank you for see this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.